So what I have here is an alginate solution. Alginate is a polymer in itself, and it's actually extracted from seaweed. What I have in here is calcium chloride, which is a salt. Calcium likes to form two bonds. It's important to have two bonds for us to do a cross polymerization, which is what we're about to do. So what I'm gonna do is put this alginate solution into the calcium chloride, and the calcium is going to get really excited. It's going to grab one alginate, and it's going to grab another alginate, and it's going to keep grabbing them in ways that basically makes them cross polymerize. And it's really, really fun to watch. And it's also instantaneous. All right, so here we go. I'm going to squirt, and when I pull this out, we actually make a polymer worm that happens right before your eyes. Outside of this being really cool chemistry, there are a lot of applications for this type of chemistry as well. Even in the pharmaceutical space where I work, this alginate or these seaweed-based polymers can be used to make gel capsules that can hold medications. So believe it or not, you can eat this and it's totally safe.